What's up YouTube? It's your girl Frisme Good, and today I'm here teaching you how to thread your Serger 1034Dx.
So the first step of threading your serger is making sure your serger is completely turned off. The next step you want to do is place all 4 of your threads on the tree. After that, you're going to want to thread your tree. I've already threaded the last 3 threads, but you don't have to thread these in any particular order yet. Now I'm going to show you how I did that. You start by looping through number 1 and then hooking your thread through number 2. So you're going to want to make sure to thread your serger from right to left. With that being said, you're going to start off with the blue, green, pink, then yellow. Make sure to always thread your serger in that order, or else your serger will not sew correctly when you start. I typically start by threading all of my thread through the number 3 first, in the right to left order. When you're finished with that, open the front door of your serger. Starting with the blue, we're going to work right to left like we talked about earlier. Following the blue lines on your serger, you're going to take your string and pull it straight down. As you continue to follow the blue lines, you're going to go to number 5 and hook your thread around it. Continue to guide your thread through 6 and 7. There are 2 blue dots indicating where to hook your thread underneath. Hook your thread under both of the metal plates. Next, guide your thread into 8. The next step, as shown in picture number 9, tells you to push the little purple lever out. After you're done threading 5, 6, 7, and 8, you're going to want to grab your serger tweezers. These are a really good tool to help you guide your thread through the little tiny spaces inside your machine. As depicted in 10 and 11, you're going to want to take your thread and guide it through the little hook and through the hole. I like to take my thread and put it to the back just so it doesn't get in the way. Alright, and now the first one is done. Next, you're going to move on to green and do exactly as you did with the blue and guide it straight down. Continue to follow the green lines. After hooking your thread through 5, move on to 6. You'll notice there is only 1 green dot. Hook your thread onto the green dot and then move on to 7. Now I'm going to adjust the needle to make it easier for me to thread the next hole as depicted in number 8. Take your tweezers and guide your thread through the next hole. Next, you're going to go ahead and move that thread back as you did the first set of thread. Next, we're moving on to pink. Guide your thread down following the number 4, and then up to number 5, around and down. Alright, take your thread through this little barrier right here and get ready to thread your needle. Okay guys, not gonna lie, took me forever to thread this little needle right here. Not sure why, but yeah, it's pretty annoying when that happens, but yeah. Alright guys, the thread is in the needle. Yeah, it took me about 3 minutes to do this. This happens sometimes. This happens to you, just keep going. It'll go in eventually. So finally, the last one we're gonna do is yellow. Alright, now grab your string and guide it down, just how we did the pink. You're gonna bring it up into 5, down, and around into that little barrier again. You're gonna wanna make sure you're paying attention to the little metal barrier right there and making sure your pink string is to the right and your yellow string is to the left of that barrier. Now, grabbing your tweezers, you'll guide your thread through the needle just as you did the last one. And obviously this one didn't take me as long.
World record, you got 47 seconds.
Wow.
Smashed it.
Smashed.
Smashed.
Alright.
Okay, you guys are done threading your serger. Go ahead and close the front door, cut your machine on, and you are ready to rock and roll. Thanks you guys so much for watching my channel. If you want to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Frisk Me Good. You should also visit my Depop. That is depop.com/friskmegood for the latest designs that I have. And also go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Frisk Me Good, FriskMeGood. Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye.